Do you know that 78% of millionaires are self-made? They didn't inherit wealth. They built it from scratch. Now here's the burning question. What do they know about money that you don't? And why do 90% of people retire with less than $100,000 in their savings? And here's the real shocker. Most of them could have avoided this by learning a few simple, yet life-changing money principles. By the end of this video, you'll uncover how to truly build wealth, protect it, and even multiply it effortlessly. Each point is mindset shift, so give close attention. Subscribe the channel and let's quickly jump in. Rule number 1. Money knows who you are. Let me ask you this. Have you ever wondered why some people get richer and remain humble while others flaunt their wealth like peacocks? It's because money doesn't change people. It magnifies who they already are. If someone is kind, generous, or disciplined, those traits shine brighter when they have wealth. On the flip side, if they're reckless or arrogant, money amplifies that too. Be the person who uses money as a tool to create value, not as a means to boost ego. Start by asking yourself, if I had more money, what would I do with it? Your answer reveals a lot about your character. Rule number 2, money loves clarity. Most people treat their finances like a messy closet. Do you know exactly how much you spend, save, and invest each month? If not, you're leaving wealth on the table. Most of the folks seems frustrated and broke despite earning good amount of money. When you're crystal clear about your financial goals, you take intentional actions that attract more money. Sit down, write your financial goals, and track every dollar. Clarity leads to wealth, while chaos breeds struggle. Rule number 3, be a money magnet, not a chaser. Here's a wild idea. Stop chasing money and let it come to you. Chasing money keeps you stuck. The more you run after it, the further it feels. But what if instead you attracted money by becoming so valuable that people seek you out? Think about a skilled surgeon or a tech innovator. They don't run after money. Their expertise brings it to them. Solve real-life problems. The better you are at creating value, the more money will flow to you naturally. This mindset shift changes everything. You stop feeling desperate and start feeling empowered. When you do this mindset shift, money becomes a byproduct of your impact. Rule number 4, don't let money get bored. Here's a fact. Inflation eats away at idle money. So keeping it under your mattress, that's financial suicide. If you had $10,000 sitting in a savings account 10 years ago, it would only be worth about $8,500 today due to inflation. But if you had invested it index fund, it could have grown to over $30,000. Make your money work for you. Start with simple investments like index funds or real estate. Money should be a tool for growth, not something you hoard out of fear. Let it flow, and it will grow. Rule number 5, money favors the bold. Wealth doesn't come to the fearful. It comes to those willing to take calculated risks. Playing it safe with money limits your growth. Risk is necessary, but only when calculated and informed. Ask yourself, what small risk can I take today that has the potential to change my financial future? If calculated risk turns into your favor, you will achieve what you want. Number 6, your beliefs about money shape your wealth. Ever heard people say money is the root of all evil? That belief keeps them broke. In the best-selling book, Think and Grow Rich, share valuable lesson that successful people view money as a tool for freedom, not greed. Many people believe wealth is only for the lucky, but when they changed their mindset, they started learning about investing and built a portfolio. Negative beliefs about money limit your ability to attract and keep wealth. Replace limiting beliefs with empowering ones like, money is a tool to create impact and freedom. Number 7, money flows to value, not time. Imagine two people. One works 60 hours a week at a job earning $25 per hour. The other creates an online course, which thousands of people buy for $50 each. Who gets wealthier? The one focused on value, not hours. Do you think wealth is about working harder? Wrong. It's about creating value. The wealthy focus on creating scalable value, products, services, or ideas that generate income even when they're not actively working. Top trading time for money. Think, how can I create something valuable that people will pay for? Rule number 8. Money doesn't solve problems. It magnifies habits. If you have poor financial habits, earning more won't fix them. It'll just make the problem bigger. $1 million in a lottery win can make you bankrupt within 5 years if you never learn to manage money, but earning $50K built wealth by sticking to smart habits. Financial habits, not income, determine your long-term wealth. Build strong money habits today, even if you're earning less. When your income grows, those habits will multiply your wealth. Number 9. Never spend money before you earn it. Here's a simple but brutal truth. Debt is a modern-day form of slavery. Yet so many people willingly trap themselves in it. When you spend money you haven't earned yet, you're borrowing against your future freedom. Credit card debt can work against you, or it can work in favor of you if used wisely. You see the latest phone and think, I'll just put it on my credit card. But now you're paying 20% interest for something that will lose its value in a year. Instead of growing wealth, you're growing stress. Live by this rule. If you can't pay for it in cash today, you can't afford it. Rule number 10. Money is an amplifier of purpose. The biggest secret of all. Money isn't just about buying things. It amplifies your purpose. One teacher started earning extra through online tutoring. Instead of just saving, she used her earnings to fund free education programs for underprivileged kids. The money didn't just grow her bank account, it magnified her impact. Wealth without purpose feels empty, but when aligned with your passion, it becomes fulfilling. Define your purpose for money. Ask yourself, how can I use wealth to serve a bigger goal? From becoming a money magnet to making your dollars work harder than you do, each of these principles is a stepping stone to financial freedom. Remember, it's not about how much you make, it's about how smart you are with what you have. I believe in sharing valuable knowledge that transforms lives. If this resonated with you, like the video, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe to continue this journey with me. Which secret resonated with you the most? Drop a comment below and let me know. Start applying these principles today. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you for joining us today. See you in the next video. Until then, take care.